Hi everyone, this is the laundromat on board ship. There are 3 washers, 3 dryers, the laundromat and the dryer run $3, and the soaps are $1, and you use your sign and sale card instead of money, always on a ship. And there's an ironing board. Those have no cost involved. We are at the platinum level, so Carnival washes our clothes for us. So many bags of clothes for so many days on board ship. We always have our clothes done 2 days before we leave the ship. That way we have time to get our clothes back. Plus that gives us clean clothes for the rest of our trip. Just thought you would like to know. This is another hidden secret of cruise ships. And there's a laundromat on about every other floor.